Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Lebara Esim number. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to visit your local Lebara website. In our case, that's going to be United Kingdom. So let's click this flag right here. Now, for you to be able to get a Lebara Esim number, all right? Now, from here, all I have to do is you need to log in first, okay? If this is your first time in Lebara, you need to register with your account, okay? Enter your email address. You need to provide a unique and strong password and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you want to make sure that you need to activate your SIM number, all right? Now, from here, you need to enter your SIM number. That's going to be the last 10 digits of your SIM number, all right? If you're curious about where is this, click on this section. Now, the thing is, if you don't have an eSIM yet or eSIM number, in my case, click the get an eSIM because this is the only method and way for you to be able to get your Lebara eSIM number, all right? Now, there are three options right here. You can choose a number. If you want to keep your current number or get a new number, that's okay. Or you can keep your current number. But if you wanted to get a new number, just click on this option, all right? Now, from here, for you to be able to get your eSIM number, like the registration option, you need to provide as much as information as you can. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you would be able to get your Lebara eSIM without any problem. Now, the thing is, if you get your eSIM number and you're still having problems activating it, the second option that you can do is you need to contact the Lebara support center. If you encounter any issues during the whole process, do not hesitate to reach out to the Lebara's customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and troubleshooting to help you successfully activate your eSIM. And of course, you have these platforms. You can call the Lebara SIM by dialing this number. Also, these numbers if you wanted, but please be mindful that they are only available from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. UK time. 7 days a week, all right? You can also write them at this address. And of course, if you wanted to try the chat now option, let's do that to see if we get an answer. And hopefully, if we get a hold of one of the customer staff, tell them you're having problems getting and activating your Lebara eSIM. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.